to mute a Slack channel? Getting irritated with the notifications and the chats? You can always mute a Slack channel or archive it if you don't necessarily want it, want the notification or want to filter out. Then you can always archive it. But if you need it but you are getting distracted, or you want to mute message for a certain time, then you can always do that. Simply go on the channel you want. There you can see randoms or the name of the group. Simply tap on it. There you can see the three dot icon. Here you can see channel details, archive. I don't think so there will be a mute option, so go to settings and details. There you can see the option of notification mute channel. Simply tap on mute channel. Like this, you won't be notified about any messages or chats, or anything will not appear.